Good morning everybody, what's happening, what's going on? How's tricks? Welcome to Mombasa. You dirty bastard of a cat. Kenya. Okay, that's not working. About to lose a finger. No. Welcome to our last few hours in Mombasa. We are leaving today. Go back to Nairobi. I think Father Anthony is in the sea. Where are you playing it? There's Anton. And it does look like he's drowning. She's making us look a bit useless. I just hit it a few more times. Just messing. It actually worked. But I spilled quite a lot of it.
So this comes earlier than this one. This is the last stage of the coconut.
So that shrinks, is it?
Yeah, that's a drink. So this is when you break it,
Yeah.
you hit the something hard from inside. So I just want to break it so that you can see inside how it is.
Okay.
Yeah, so that you can also taste.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah. Ah.
So when it's like this, you eat the white meat, this one.
Okay. This tastes
Yeah,
like.
you can also drink.
So
It's some of sour. Some sour, yeah. But it's nice. You can also drink. This is okay. You also.
Let me taste it just.
There's no more.
It's finished.
Oh, you
Or maybe I look for another one. Then
you're a very wicked fellow.
it's okay.
So gutted.
Nice.
It's okay. Spoon and eat.
No, it's not a spoon. It's a knife. It's hard to take it out. Yeah.
Did you ever
Coconut.
eat your fruit?
Not much taste though.
No.
Yeah, not much taste.
But that's why you grate it, and it's the same as the what do you call it? The
Bounty.
bounty bar.
Yeah.
Also, we obtain how do we call it?
Oh, yes, exactly.
Oil from this one.
Pretty dry.
Yeah.
Very dry.
No, the brothers want a photograph with us.
Okay, yeah. Which is okay.
So wherever we go,
Thank you. Karibu sana. Have you seen the film The Lion King?
No.
Never seen The Lion King?
No. Really?
Sure.
Wow.
Where is it? Because in The Lion King it's a film about a lion, a cartoon. And they say Hakuna Matata. So we weren't sure if it's popular in the West, back home. So we weren't sure if you say that after the film or you actually say it.
I see.
Yeah. So yeah.
Takes your time. Yo. They're all routine, right? Whistling and singing. Yo. Sick.
We can say we are 19. You are 19.
Yeah, she is 19, yeah. And I'm 21.
And the other one.
He's
Also, you are okay. You are 12.
your oldest.
Yeah, I'm the oldest.
I'm the baby.
Oh, you are the baby.
Yeah. What's that?
That's one of the coconuts outside.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yo. See you later, Mombasa. Okay, Justice. Thank you, my friend. We will talk to you. I'll send you them soon. Bye, guys. Yeah. Like, so security's at the door, checking the lounge and in the runway. These are cool. Okay, we're supposed to be in the air 20 minutes ago. Okay, it was taking a while and I joked that they'd come on the radio and say, okay, we have to disembark. And God provoked. And God is good all the time. So like 30 seconds later your one comes in and she goes, we have to disembark, we have a technical problem. It's hot as alright, Jack. Okay, William just said the lad who's wheeling Anthony in said that one of the engines isn't working. Engine 1. Okay guys, the plane is broke. So we're getting a different plane. They're sending a plane from Nairobi. So but means we have to wait here for 2 hours. So this is the plane that we were on. Okay, so we got a new plane. So I am on nurse duty for this lad. Shut up, I'm vlogging. It's so nice.
What is
This? A small camera. Yeah.
it?
Okay, that engine over there is going, and this one isn't. Could we have a repeat? We're on a winner. It works.
I was genuinely worried because William was like, oh, imagine if it happened again. And lately what we say comes true.
One of them propellers come off.
We're not saying anything negative about
Like the whole Kelly clan is dead if that comes off. Because it's going to go. Finally in Nairobi. How are you pilot? Your boy Edgar. Why do I keep saying fucking Edgar?
You did names all mixed up.
Shine
Why
up.
did you call Godfrey Gordon or something? His name's Godfrey, like that's such a distinct name, easy to remember.
What's up, Edward?
You swear you're going to Paris, yeah? What? Swear you're going to DK.
Sure. Welcome to Africa, baby. We're home.
And like the last group they came in and they were like working.
Where's the bush? Thank you, sir. Thank you. Doesn't he? He's the gloves with the fingerless gloves on. Sees me.